out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am obsessed with decorating. And so many of you have asked me, what does your home look like after Christmas once you take all of the decorations down? So that is what I'm going to share with you guys. I have a lot of new stuff and I'm gonna link everything that I can in the description box below, new and old, so I don't have to spend too much time in my video talking about it. I did want to formally introduce you guys to our new puppy, Dory. She's a little bit squirmy right now, so I'm gonna put her down, but she is a 10-week lab mixed puppy that we got from the Humane Society. She's so sweet, and I just wanted to introduce her to you guys because I know so many of you love our other dog, Chip, who is not in this video because he's afraid of the fire. So this is going to be a very informal tour video. It's dark out, the lighting's not great, it's a little bit dim, it's a little bit moody, I would say. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and let's get into the tour. Okay, so we are gonna start off in my kitchen. Here's kind of like a quick overview of how it looks. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my house really needs a deep cleaning, and I have fuzz from dog toys all over my floor, but I didn't get around to doing like a deep cleaning this weekend, so please excuse that. With a new puppy, it's kind of hard to find the time to really do anything. But I don't have a ton in the kitchen. I have this candle here. This I actually recently got, although it's a fall candle, so if I can find it, I'll link it for you. It's spiced cider from Capri Blue, and look at how pretty that jar is. And then above the stove I have this block letter sign that says "Let It Snow." It's not supposed to have the plastic still on it, I just haven't taken it off. And that came in a Decocrated home decor subscription box. I think I'm getting the spring box. If you guys want me to do like an unboxing of the spring one, let me know, because I was super impressed with the fall and winter, but I am such a hard critic on like spring and summer decor because I just don't like it. And yeah, that would really put that box to the test, so just let me know. And here is what this corner looks like. So here is kind of the other side of my kitchen, and I just have some Rae Dunn out with some frosted eucalyptus stems. And then for my soap and the candle that I have going over here, this is Boulangerie, which is I think exclusive to Anthropologie. They're definitely kind of like splurgy items, but I was gifted this one, the soap, for Christmas. And you guys, if you've been here for a while, you know I don't mind splurging on candles. I don't like to splurge on a lot of things in my life, but candles I will definitely splurge on. So I love that scent. And then if we go over here, here is my winter coffee bar. I'm scared to show you guys my Keurig because I'm pretty sure it needs to be cleaned really bad. And if you see over here, those are all of our Christmas totes that still need to be put away. But I made a whole video on this area, so I won't spend any time here. I'll just leave that linked below for you guys if you want to see a little bit more. So I'm gonna swing you guys over here, and this is our eat-in kitchen area. I didn't do anything in the dining room, so I'm not gonna bother to take you in there. And by the way, we do want to get window treatments. You'll notice that there are no window treatments yet. Our windows don't look out into anybody else's like homes. So I feel like we have a little bit of time to figure that out. We've only been here for 8 months and we probably should have gotten window treatments sooner, but it is what it is. We're taking our time. Another thing that we don't have yet that's really annoying are knobs or hardware for our cabinets, but that's another thing that we're gonna do. So on the table, I just left out the same runner that I had from Christmas, and I put this bowl with some pine cones, moss rocks, and fairy lights. I love that. It looks so like whimsical and kind of like, I don't know, just like foresty, if you will. The moss rocks are from Dollar Tree, by the way. And then this tapestry is new. I actually won this in a giveaway that somebody else entered me in, so I have no idea how much this was and if I can even link it, but if I can, I will try. I think it fits the space pretty well, and I was wanting to add a little bit of boho into my decor, so that's pretty cool. So moving towards the rest of the living room, here is kind of an overview of it. We have the fire going just for you guys. All right, you guys, I ended up turning on my ring light. So if you see a ring in the window over there, that is what that is. It was just too dark in here. So here's just kind of like an overview of the room. And I have quite a few new items in here that I want to share with you guys. So I am going to just show you a quick pan around. Hopefully it's not making you dizzy. I mostly just wanted to show you the fire before it dies. Looks like it is dying down. So yeah, it's so nice to have a real fire going. So anyways, I always have this crate here, no matter the season, with extra pillows and blankets. And then this striped pillow is actually a Christmas pillow. Has the wreath on the one side, but I flipped it over. And these two pillows here are new. They're actually pillow covers. The leather one, or it's faux leather, well, they're both from Amazon and they both come in a set of two, but the leather ones are like a tan mustard color, and I think those were $17 for a set of two. And then the faux fur ones were $13 for a set of two. So the leather is not the best faux leather that I've ever seen. It's actually very soft, and I prefer it to leather or faux leather. So I'm totally happy with them, but do know that before buying them. I just have some more pillows and a blanket over here, and then same two pillows and a pillow that I already had from Walmart. On this side, the blanket is from the Wish app, or wish.com. I don't know if there's a difference. I buy from the .com, and it's not the greatest quality, but it's my most asked about item. I think it was like $55, and it takes about a month to get to you. So here is my coffee table, and I put this runner on it that was on my dining table for Christmas, and I just have a tray with some candles and a pitcher. Let me move over this way so you can see better. The brass candle is new. That's from Anthropology, in the scent Volcano from Capri Bloom, my favorite candle. This little votive is new too that I got for Christmas. It's Rae Dunn. And the other candle was a Christmas gift as well. I think that's Chesapeake Bay. It's like juniper lime or something. And the pitcher is new as well. That came from the Target Dollar Spot. The leaves, the greenery in there is from Target Dollar Spot as well. And the pine cones are from Pier 1. And I just love to decorate with candles in the winter. It's extra cozy, super ambient, whatever the word is. And now we're gonna take a look over here. This is like my TV area. So this basket here is new. I just got that from TJ Maxx for $19.99, and it has a lid on it, so I was really happy about that. I hide all of Jose's like gaming controllers and headphones and stuff away in there. And then of course I had to have some eucalyptus. That eucalyptus could maybe be trimmed. I kind of like how it's wild like that. So yeah. on my TV stand, I have some candlesticks that I hauled from Target. These are actually Christmas candlesticks, but I think they look like leaves or flowers or even palm trees, so I'm gonna leave them out year round. And I have the same ones over on the other side, you'll see. And then down here, I did a little bit of decorating. I have this new Rae Dunn birdhouse that my dad got me for Christmas, sitting on a little Christmas wreath that I'm gonna put away, you know, after my winter stuff comes down, but I had that for Christmas. And then up here, I have some books from the Dollar Tree, and some beads and a little, I don't know, blue and white jar. I really like that blue and white look. I think I want to do that for spring. So that's all I have in these shelves. And then you can see here I have those candlesticks again. And on this chair, I have this faux sheepskin rug. I actually still have the tag on this. This was $16.99. There's the information if you're interested. And then this pillow here is like brown faux fur. It's so soft. The back is just like faux suede. And this was from Amazon for like $8. I absolutely love it. So anyway, swinging you guys around, here's one of my favorite areas of my home, my fireplace. I did not like my fireplace moving in here, but I've started to really love it. So I have this blanket ladder with some blankets, this black and white one I'm obsessed with. It's actually marketed as like a beach blanket, so it's not super cozy, but that came from Amazon for like $16. And then we have our wood in the seagrass basket, which I love. I love that it has like really oversized buffalo plaid on it, but it does not hold firewood pretty well. It's pretty flimsy. It's really meant for like a plant to sit inside. So I actually have another bucket in there. I'm cheating with all the firewood, and then I'm pretending like it's sitting inside of the seagrass, but that seagrass is not holding anything up. So that was from Amazon as well, and I think that was like $34, which is, you know, kind of a lot for a basket, but it was perfect. Exactly what I wanted. And then of course here is my fire. It's dying down now, but we'll probably start it up in a little bit. But the dogs do not like the fire. They hate when the fire pops. Really it's just Chip, it's not Dory. So we don't have fires as much as we would like, but I had to have one going for this video. So I turned the ring light off just so you guys could see how it truly looks without the really bright lighting. I think it's extra cozy. That's the look that I was going for. I wanted it to be cozy. I wanted it to be warm. I wanted to add some contrasting colors with the black and, you know, warm it up with the brown and the tan, and I really hope that you guys liked it. That's pretty much all that I've done. Like I said, the dining room, it's pretty much just a storage area right now with all of our Christmas boxes. Jose says he's putting them away tomorrow. He has the day off of work, and we don't do anything special in the bedrooms, and I feel like I haven't done a whole lot special anywhere that's specific for winter. It's just about making it cozy, which is, you know, a vibe that I want to have all year. And hopefully you think that I achieved it. So that is it for this tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, why not? Please hit that subscribe button. And if you already are subscribed but you haven't hit that bell notification yet, go ahead and do that so you don't miss the notifications for all of my new uploads. And thank you guys again for spending a little bit of time with me today. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.